The first thing I want to do here is cover the difference between the Coinbase app that most people are familiar with and this Base app, and this is really a discussion here of exchanges versus self-custody. Coinbase, the main platform at coinbase.com and through their mobile app, is a centralized exchange. That means when you buy Bitcoin or other crypto through them, Coinbase is actually holding on to it for you. You have an account, kind of like a financial account, and Coinbase manages the keys. Now that is convenient, of course, but it also means that you're trusting Coinbase to hold on to your crypto. Now with that said, Coinbase is worth about $75 billion as of writing this, and they have crime insurance as well as other policies and procedures to safeguard digital assets at all costs. But nonetheless, a lot of what crypto is about is being decentralized and untethered from the traditional financial system. And that is exactly why this Base self-custody wallet exists. What does self-custody actually mean? The biggest thing it means is that you hold the private keys, and therefore you own the crypto directly. But what exactly is a private key? Well, this is basically a secret password that proves that you own the crypto. It's a long string of letters and numbers that gives you full access to the funds in your wallet. And here's the most important part, guys. Whoever controls the private key controls the crypto, so there's no bank, no exchange, no middleman. That's why self-custody is both powerful and risky. If you lose your private key or your recovery phrase, there's no way to reset it, so your crypto would be lost forever. Before we dive into the Base tutorial here, guys, I want to cover one final detail about the Coinbase exchange platform. A lot of people wonder whether or not you need a Coinbase exchange account in order to set up a Base account and vice versa. These two are actually completely separate, and that means that you do not need to have a Coinbase account in order to open up a Base wallet. However, you do need an exchange if you're looking to buy crypto that you're looking to then send over to your self-custody wallet. So for that purpose, we will be using Coinbase. You can check out my full tutorial about Coinbase down below and in the corner in terms of the exchange account, and I also have the link to open up an account where you can support the channel and maybe even get some free Bitcoin in the process.